Oh no. It's almost summer, how will I ever fit into my swimsuit? Don't worry. Help is on the way with low-carb high-fat for weight loss included in your low-carb survival kit. One of the main reasons people start a low-carb, high-fat diet is to lose weight. With this report, you can discover the best ways to lose weight and burn fat on a low-carb, high-fat diet and maintain it. For many people, with pretty much every season, a new season of trying to lose weight begins. Everything from trusted old plans to brand new fads are dusted off and tried on by people eager to shed a few pounds. And every few years a new diet hits the news and blows up into a big sensation. But in reality, there are very few combinations of patterns that compose diets. All diets work by ensuring we create a calorie deficit, usually by getting us to eat less. They can do this by encouraging us to suppress our appetite, encouraging us to count and use our willpower, encouraging us to eat foods that fill us longer. Here, we are exploring how low-carbohydrate, high-fat diets work to suppress our appetites and fill us up, making it easy to lose weight with minimal exercise and without counting points, calories, or portions. Here's your chance to finally make good on that resolution or goal. No more excuses. It's hard to figure out what you can eat or not, how to do everything correctly and basically stay on track with your diet and lifestyle choice. Then throw in life. Yes, life happens, making it even harder to succeed. It's one thing to be on a low-carb diet lifestyle when you are at home, but life happens. We get busy. We get out. We go places and have people over. So I put this low-carb survival kit together to give you the best chance of succeeding on this lifestyle choice. With these tools and information, you can succeed. You are armed to battle most life challenges that you'll have to face on your low-carb diet, and win.